What if yung gusto ko may gustong iba? Di agawin mo. Joke lang. Feeling ko, debate whether that person likes the current person really, really, like, as in super. Kung hindi naman, edi, girl, or guy, wala pa yun. Kaya mo pa yun. Landiin mo, go. Diba? Para no regrets. Diyos ko. Walang yung therapist. Kung di pa sila kasal, goy. Oh, go, hoy! Hindi naman sa ganun level, ah. Pero kasi, masasabi mo naman if that person really, really likes that other person. So, kung hindi naman, edi, maging friends kayo, and malay mo, diba? Malay mo, like, he or she gonna like you back. Pag di para sa'yo, ipilit mo ganun.